Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So a tropical storm is passing over Jamaica. So we're giving you an update as to what's going on. We are by the Charlton Gully. Trees seem to have dropped and blocked half the lane, but the other, it's passable. You can definitely go through it, so the water is not that high. There was a lot of rain last night, and they expect a lot more rain today and tomorrow. So we're just giving you a tour of the area to show you what's going on. These cars are deciding what to do, but the water is not that high. But sometimes with these gullies you just cannot tell, so it's best to be cautious. Now that's a pickup of 4x4, so easily went through it. So cars can definitely go through it. And that young man is clearing the tree that seems to have fallen and blocking this side of the road. Alright, so we will go through it. We're just giving you guys an update. And we will give you updates all of today and all of tomorrow. The storm is to pass. It's currently passing over us now. Or later today we should get the brunt of it. And by tomorrow, by Saturday afternoon, it should have passed over us. Just some rain we might get after. But luckily this has been a quiet hurricane season. Knock on wood. The season officially ends on the 30th of November, but Jamaica hasn't gotten much. There haven't been any threat. I mean, no hurricane has come close to us. Knock on wood again. Alright, so we're now heading out towards Constant Spring Road. And then we're going to head down to Halfway Tree and see what's going on down there. Now schools are closed and a lot of business places are probably closed because there was a lot of rain last night and we expect to get more rain today into tomorrow. So with the schools closed, definitely a lot less traffic on the road. Now one of the biggest concerns with this kind of rain in Jamaica is the drains. Sometimes the drains are clogged and that creates the water to not be able to flow off, and it definitely settles on the road. But these newer roads like Constant Spring Road, Barbican Road, Hagley Park Road, when they were being built, the drains were also upgraded to bigger drains. So that's why you don't see a lot of water settling on this road. And these roads were not done by local contractors. They were upgraded by China Harbour Engineering Company. Not sure if that makes a difference, but you guys decide. So even in Montego Bay now, they are doing the Montego Bay Perimeter Road. And a big part of that project is a drainage study so that they can fix up the drainage system in Montego Bay, because when it rains, oh my gosh, it's a nightmare down there. The water settles on the road because the drains, I don't know if they're blocked or they're just not big enough to have the water run off in a timely manner, but they're definitely fixing the drains. Same thing with Lucy. You have to remember, some of these towns are old. Like somebody pointed out the other day that when Lucy was built, those streets were built. They were not built for cars. They were built for carriages drawn by horses. I mean, so definitely a lot of infrastructure work. But the government is working on it. They are doing the drainage study in Montego Bay, and they're going to fix the drains down there. And they're building a new town for Lucy, or expanding. They have the Lucy bypass, the Montego Bay bypass, which is going to bypass Lucy, so it will definitely help. They're definitely on top of... Okay, let's leave that there because we are not a political channel, and I know where those comments are heading. I know the comments we're going to get. So let's just say the drainage is a... Water settling on the road is a problem for some of these towns, and when they are fixing the roads, they include drainage, improving the drainage system, and as a part of the project. An example is the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project. So we're heading towards halfway through now. We're on Constant Spring Road. Here you can see, okay, but this one is not one of the new ones, but the bus in front of this one is one of the new buses that just came. And from what we've heard, they are performing perfectly, the new buses. No issues whatsoever. They had brought in some electric buses earlier this year, and I'm curious, I haven't heard anything about them, so I guess they're operating okay. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.